Hi guys, welcome to Astra Tarot. I'm Yachna. I'm a psychic tarot reader and also a trauma-informed life coach. आज सुबह से ही जब से मैं उठी हूँ मेरे सर में इतना दर्द है and like I woke up from a call from somebody whom like I don't like, no personal reasons, but just that I don't resonate with them and they keep on disturbing me again and again. So maybe it's because of an uninterrupted, sorry, it is because of the interrupted sleep. But also हो सकता है कि आप में से कुछ लोग ऐसे हों कि you have found your peace but there are people who do not like you being peaceful और वो शायद बहुत क्यूरियस हैं ये जानने के लिए कि आप अपने लाइफ में क्या कर रहे हो एंड वाई यू हैव created a boundary or a distance from these people. जो लोग क्योस से इतना अटैच होते हैं वो साइलेंस और पीस को समझ ही नहीं पाते, स्पेस को समझ ही नहीं पाते एंड दे गेट so offended because they take it so much on their own ego. Anyways, this reading is about you and let's see what's happening. Okay, what is the divine message for you? पहला कार्ड जो निकल के आया वो है 4 of Cups. I feel that there is a female energy. It can be any of your cousin sister or your friend who is sitting in regret because they might have lost the connection with you. You might have created a boundary with them and you are not giving access to this person. So they are just contemplating, thinking what you are doing, how you are doing, what are your plans and your work. एंड हो सकता है आपने ही ये डिस्टेंस क्रिएट किया हो बिकॉज यू माइट हैव टेस्टेड देयर सिस्टरहुड और फ्रेंडशिप एंड यू फाउंड दैट दे वर नॉट वर्दी, दे डिड नॉट डिजर्व योर फ्रेंडशिप और योर सिस्टरहुड. सो नाउ दे आर जस्ट लुकिंग टूवर्ड्स यू एज somebody who is powerful. ऑल्सो हो सकता है आप बहुत सॉफ्ट पर्सन रहे हो, हमेशा गिविंग और नर्चरिंग, बट this time you really like took your power back and you said no to people who thought that their access to you is for granted. तो ये वो एक डिस्पेयर और एक रिग्रेट वाली एनर्जी में बैठे हैं अभी. Okay, what else? The star. Okay, this is your energy because they are looking at you as somebody who is manifesting bigger things in life, who you could be following any of your dreams. हो सकता है कि आपने अपने लिए कोई गोल सेट किया हो या आप कुछ क्रिएट कर रहे हो अपनी लाइफ में, कोई नया वर्क प्रोजेक्ट या कोई प्रैक्टिस, एंड दे आर जस्ट लुकिंग एट यू दैट you are really connected with the universe and you have this strong intuition and manifestation powers and आप अपनी isolation में बैठे हो. I would say you are doing your inner work, you are doing healing and you are seeking all your strength from the source, from your spirit guides, your ancestors who probably would have left something unfinished for your lineage, and you are the chosen one who's been chosen to continue that work of healing for your lineage. और ये ना कुछ ऐसा सीक्रेट है कि शायद आप सबसे शेयर नहीं कर सकते एंड पीपल आर सो कन्फ्यूज्ड कि ऐसा क्या कर रहे हो अपनी ज़िंदगी में, ऐसी क्या हीलिंग कर रहे हो या ऐसा क्या कनेक्शन आप बिल्ड कर रहे हो. So people who are immature would never understand your purpose, your journey, your work, and they're just sitting in disappointment. Okay, एक कार्ड जो निकल के आया वो है 8 of Wands. I would say that there is a quick communication that might come from many people. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत तरह के लोग हो सकते हैं, कोई ग्रुप जो आपने छोड़ा हो या कोई फैमिली मेम्बर्स जो अब डिस्टेंट कर दिए आपने अपने आप से, दे माइट बी कमिंग टूवर्ड्स यू विद एन ऑफर ऑफ रिकन्सिलिएशन और asking you to resolve things with them or reconnect with them and allow access back in your life. So कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है कि अगर आप ये कोई communication expect करो from these people in 8 hours 8 days 8 weeks. Okay, something is coming and it's gonna be very sudden. It's gonna be very sudden. 9 of Wands. Okay, 8 of Wands and 9 of Wands. 9 of Wands is like I would say कि आप कुछ ऐसी बाउंड्रीज आपने क्रॉस करी हैं बहुत रिसेंटली with where you have changed the trajectory of your entire family, which could be a dysfunctional family, and you are taking up projects and creating something for yourself which nobody understands in your family. So मुझे ये ऐसा friend group या family circle लग रहा है जो they feel that you are on the edge, you are on the edge of you know that circle जिनको उनको लगा था कि आप उस circle में ही घूमते रहोगे इनके साथ and you will be small and you will please them, you will respect them irrespective of how they are treating you, but now they see that you have really gone out of reach to, and they see that you are guided by your own light, you don't need their help or light. लाइट तो वैसे ही क्या ही लोग लेके आएंगे जो खुद गुम है वो किसी को क्या रास्ता दिखाएंगे, जिन्होंने कभी अपने पे काम नहीं किया या सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन नहीं किया. अगेन ये उनका जर्नी है, बट यू आर मूविंग अहेड इन योर ओन सोल जर्नी एंड फाइंडिंग आंसर्स टू what was hidden or what needs to be healed. So this is also a sign that आपके अंदर ना एक वो जुनून है, वो पैशन है जो सब में नहीं है. Not everybody carries that kind of spark within to do work which is multi-generational. So you are carrying that baton of healing, and हो सकता है कोई generational curse हो जिसको आप break कर रहे हो. And these people are just seeing that you are just on the edge of going out of their area of control. So they are really worried that they have lost all their powers and control over you. Okay, so मुझे लगता है कि आप अभी अपनी healing पे focus कर रहे हो, which is good. You're going inside and you're just trying to know yourself. You're trying to heal your childhood wounds. हो सकता है आपके बहुत failed relationships रहे हों एंड आप बहुत क्यूरियस रहे हो कि आपकी लाइफ नॉर्मल क्यों नहीं रही, एंड विच मेड यू रियली गो इनसाइड एंड फाइंड दैट व्हाट इज स्टॉपिंग यू फ्रॉम लिविंग द ड्रीम लाइफ, अ नॉर्मल ड्रीम लाइफ. सो हो सकता है आपने अपनी फैमिली के बहुत सारे राज खोले हों, एंड ऑफ कोर्स दीज पीपल, most of them don't even know how to feel emotions, how to deal with difficult emotions. So they are they're looking at you from a distance and very confused कि आप क्या कर रहे हो. Not that they want to come and support you, but it's just that what are you doing, because they just want to get into your life. They're nosy heads in your life. But you are divinely guided for this path. The magician, like I said, you are actually manifesting a life, the kind of life or relationship, partnership, marriage, मतलब एक healthy marriage या एक healthy relationship का model नहीं है आपकी family में, and you are trying to break that cycle and creating and manifesting the kind of relationship and family जो आपको कभी नहीं मिली. आपकी family of origin was full of like chaos, drama, violence, abuse, disrespect, but you are the curse breaker and you are now healing yourself and even your bloodline, even without knowing them, and you are of course divinely protected and guided, and you will be soon manifesting things in your favor, and you will move on, and like you will break your fears, your inherited fears that life is tough. You could have an inherited fear of that you cannot live your life alone. You could have an inherited fear of being a failure or not good enough to be chosen. So you're just trying to transmute this pain, these negative limiting old beliefs that you inherited from your family, and creating a magic out of it. Just transmuting this pain into power. And I feel that in no time you will be attracting people in your life which will bring unconditional love. They will not be there for transactional love or for just keeping an image. They will be really interested in keeping you in their lives and very close to their heart, and that will be a great example of a healthy relationship into your old bloodline. That's what I'm getting. Okay, Page of Swords. Okay, so I see that Page of Swords is somebody stalking you, like they are stalking you. Of course, this could be a female energy. They could be stalking you and just looking at you that आप अपना एक अलग ही दुनिया create कर रहे हो, and how you're doing that, like how you are managing this grief and pain that they were projecting on you, and these fears. How are you breaking these old chains? And आप ऐसा मतलब क्या आपको एक ऐसी मैजिक टॉनिक मिल गया है, एक मैजिक किताब मिल गई है that you are freeing yourself from mental chaos, and these people are just like watching you from the side. They're watching you walk on like tough lines in your tough phase, क्योंकि आप अभी ये मैजिशियन वाली एनर्जी में हो, where they feel that you are magic, like you can actually, आप जिस चीज़ को भी छूते हो वो सोना बन जाता है. That's what they feel, कि इतना कुछ होने के बाद आपकी ज़िंदगी में, and without any support, how are you creating magic in your life? Okay, the Empress. This is also the energy that you are actually manifesting, that आप Empress, that your next step is that you will be creating a life of your choice, which will give you a lot of fulfillment. You'll have a lot of money, power, fame. People will really come up to you for advice. They will respect you, and they are going to treat you like a queen. So here's the Empress card, which is fulfilled and nurturing, whole. मतलब जिसको validation या love या bread crumbs की ज़रूरत नहीं है, and who knows her worth, who can sit on her throne, and people will come and serve her, will take care of her and support her, and just like protect her. Very important, protect her. So you are going to embody that energy of the Empress, and where you know that what you bring to the table and what kind of energy, what is the value of your energy, and people will recognize that आपके साथ मतलब अपॉइंटमेंट लेना है, आपके साथ वक्त गुजारना is not like spending time with anyone else. They will have to wait for you. They will have to, like, it's like tables turning. They will have to wait and take appointment, and they will have to like respect your boundary and time to be able to at least talk to you. So I would say ये आपकी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन बहुत पर्सनली ले रहे हैं, इसलिए बहुत instead of supporting you and being really happy for you, they're just jealous and envious, and they just want to know that how you are creating, like removing thorns from your life and creating a bed of roses for yourself. Bed of roses is for the Empress. Okay, एक guidance card और लेते हैं. Queen of Cups. Okay, so they know that you are a person who is emotionally fulfilled. मतलब आपके साथ बैठ के ही ना बात करके उनको लगता है कि वो बहुत हील हो गए, यू नो। एंड शायद आपको अपनी ये पावर्स पहले नहीं पता थी, बट यू हैव रियली आइडेंटिफाइड एंड you are just transmuting your energy into yourself and creating abundance where आप कुछ भी करो ना अपनी लाइफ में, उसमें आप इमोशनली खुश रहते हो, कंटेंट रहते हो जो भी आप करते हो। मतलब यू probably quitted doing anything for the heck of it, for an image to create, for like a legacy. You're choosing things जो आपको seriously emotionally fulfill करती हैं, and not for name, fake recognition and stage power, but you are really doing because I think आपने अपने साथ एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन किया है दैट अब से आप वही चीज़ें करोगे जो आपको सच में फुलफिल करेंगी, इमोशनली फुलफिल करेंगी, जिनको करने में आपको मज़ा आएगा, वेर यू विल फील दैट यू हैव रियली क्रिएटेड अ वैल्यू एंड पीपल आर अप्रिशिएटिंग दैट वैल्यू. You are not going to waste your time on people who are jealous or envious. They do not do the work themselves and just project it on other people. So you are going to make decisions basis where you are equally fulfilled and poured back into. Okay, so ये आज की रीडिंग है गाइज. आई होप आपको ये रीडिंग पसंद आई, और इफ़ यू रेजोनेट then do give me a like, share in comments if really you have someone, a feminine energy, an old friend or a cousin, sister or an aunt who might not have the bestest of interest and is jealous, but they are just looking at you in that you are healing, you are manifesting to actually get into the power of being the empress. So these are beautiful cards. Just keep doing, keep healing. जो भी आप कर रहे हो, keep doing that and just don't give any heed to these people. These people are just going to be where they are. They are not going to grow or develop. But you keep on proceeding ahead in your journey, and you will be divinely rewarded for sure for that. I'll end this reading here, and I hope to see you again. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that I keep coming back with new such readings. Take care for now and love you.